Hello viewer and student. Today I am going to tell you how to calculate square without being multiplied it. Generally you will see in on net to calculate square they generally multiply and do some plus and do some minus, but I have invented a very simple formula so that you can easily multiply. You can easily calculate square without multiplying it, provided you know square of some easy number, and afterward you can only do sum or subtract. Now you all know the square of the above numbers: 10, 11, 12, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 200, 1000 or around. One simple formula is for calculating square: a square plus 2ab plus b square. You must know that. Means suppose you want to know the square of say 12. In 12, what is a, what is b? 1 is a and 2 is b, and that formula begin from b square, not from a square. Means square of 2 is 4. Then what you do? You multiply a and b, 1 and 2, and that will be also after that multiply with 2, so you will get 4. And a square means 1 square is 1. So your answer is 144. Now suppose you want to know the square of 13. How I am telling you is in this way. You know the square of 12 is 144. And what you do, what your next step will be? You do the sum of 12 and 13, because you want to know the square of 13. So you do the sum of 12 and 13, which is 25. And our third step and final step is you add the 25 with the square of 12. Means 144 plus 25 is equal to 169, which is ultimate the square of 13. तो आपने ये देखा आज के अगर हमको कोई भी स्क्वायर एक याद है तो उसके आगे के पीछे के जो भी स्क्वायर हम निकालना चाहें हम निकाल सकते हैं. जैसे आपको पता है कि 12 का स्क्वायर होता है 144. अब हमारा नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या है? हमको 13 का स्क्वायर निकालना है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? 12 और 13 को जमा करेंगे. 12 और 13 को जब जमा करेंगे तो 25 आएगा. अब तीसरा स्टेप, फाइनल स्टेप हमारा क्या होगा? जो 12 का स्क्वायर है उसमें हम 25 को ऐड कर देंगे, तो 13 का स्क्वायर हो गया हमारा 169. कुछ और कैलकुलेशन करके देखते हैं. सपोज हमको 14 का स्क्वायर निकालना है. सपोज वी वांट टू कैलकुलेट स्क्वायर ऑफ 14. In our last step we have calculated the square of 13, which is 169. Now what we do? We do the sum of 13 and 14, because we want to know the square of 14. The sum of 13 and 14 is 27. And final step is just we add the square of 13 27. Square of 13 is 169 plus 27, which is ultimately 196. So the square of 14 is 196. Now suppose you know the square of 15. You don't know the square of 13. You know the square of 15. What we do? And you want to know the square of 14. You want to calculate the square of 14. Then what we do? Square of 15 is 225. First step is we sum the number 14 and 15, because we know the square of 15 and we want to know the square of 14. The sum of 14 and 15 is 29. And in your first step, you have seen that square of 15 is 225. So you subtract the sum of 14 and 15 from square of 15. It means 225 minus 29, which is 196. Our last step also our answer was 196, and in this step also 196. So you can calculate both way the sum of number if you know the preceding or the after that number, you know, you can calculate on that basis. Now in our next video we will do some more exercise, some more examples of some bigger number. So keep watch my video and get the knowledge without any paisa, without any penny, and share this knowledge also with your friends, your relatives, whosoever you think that you can explain them. And like this video and subscribe this video so that in future whatever video I will make, you will get automatically. So friends and students, viewers, thank you, take care, goodbye.